Howdy Tinker Nerds. Random Wednesday update here. Now, I don't normally do Wednesday updates, but I'm totally nerding out! There's a new Raspberry Pi that's out. OMG LOL Rafflecopter animated baby GIF. Also animated baby GIF. In case you're new to this channel or you haven't noticed, I love me some Raspberry Pi. So instead of containing my excitement, I thought I'd just make a quick video about what I'm really excited about. Dubbed the Raspberry Pi 3 Model B+, immediately looking at it you can see more metal. One of the primary reasons for this is the metal helps disperse the heat, which means you can apply more power to the CPU. So this allows the CPU to be cranked up slightly to 1.4 gigahertz instead of the previous 1.2 gigahertz. Next on the improvement list, networking speeds, and boy is it zippy. One of the biggest glaring absences from the previous Raspberry Pis was the lack of Gigabit Ethernet. But not only does the 3B Plus support Gigabit Ethernet, it also supports the 5 gigahertz wireless range. Welcome to the 21st century, Raspberry Pi. Good to have you. But it's these last couple improvements that made me really excited. The ability to boot to the network, or Pixie Boot as it's sometimes called, is enabled by default. So what that means is you could boot your Raspberry Pi without an SD card. And finally, they've also added the ability to support PoE, or Power over Ethernet. And what does that mean? Well, that means you could potentially power your Raspberry Pi through the same Ethernet cable that gives it internet. So let's think about this. A Raspberry Pi with no need for an SD card or power outlet. I smell a new tutorial coming soon. Speaking of which, there's a new tutorial coming out this weekend. Not the one with the new Raspberry Pi, but it is an April Fool's one, so hopefully you'll enjoy it. See you guys soon.